Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is luminescence. Let's discover what this beautiful word means. Luminescence is a soft, natural glow produced without heat. You can see luminescence in fireflies, glowing ocean waves, and certain sea creatures.
Here's an example. The beach was filled with blue luminescence as the waves gently reached the shore. This means tiny marine organisms created a beautiful natural glow in the water.
Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word luminescence? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!